Today, I'm sharing a simple and highly effective remedy for cracked heels. We will need a lemon. Squeeze the lemon juice. Please subscribe to my channel. 3 tablespoon glycerine. Applying glycerine on cracked heels can accelerate the healing process. Please press the like button. Five tablespoon rose water. Rose water has anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties that helps to heal the skin. Four tablespoon lemon juice. If you like my video, please like, comment, share with your family and friends. Mix all the ingredients very well. How to use. Apply on your affected area and massage it well. For best result, you will apply 2 to 3 times in a day. After few days you will get miraculous result. You can even apply it on your hands. Pour in a jar and store it in a dry and cool place. Thanks for watching.